installing the nozzle tip, you will have your nozzle, your bolt with a flathead screwdriver cap, and then your nut to go on the back. Step 1 will be grabbing your nozzle, throwing it up on the nozzle chute, and before locking anything down, taking your handle and engaging it into the welding position. When you have everything nice and square, you can pop it back out of position, grab your screw and your nut, place into position, grab your screwdriver, and get it started. So if your nozzle ever comes out of alignment, the quickest and easiest way to adjust it will be with loosening these two bolts with your 3/16 Allen wrench that comes with the machine. First, we will loosen the one side, then loosen the other. Now, you can lower and raise this as needed. You want your nozzle to be hovering in between the weld rollers. After you check alignment, be sure to remember to lock it back down. Be careful to not overly tighten these bolts either. You just need them nice and snug. Now we are going to go over the final adjustment. This is in the back of the machine. You're first going to remove the 7 bolts around the perimeter of the back cover plate. When making the final adjustment for the nozzle left and right, we are first going to crack these 2 lock nuts, one at the bottom here and then one at the top right here. We're going to loosen these so then you can grab the middle nut and this will swing your nozzle left and right.